Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete a Glassdoor account permanently. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted with a website like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Glassdoor page, as you can see, where we have a lot of different options. First of all, you can post by clicking on the button here. You have your balls here. Then you have the community. This is the community page where we are now, where you can post some stuff and some status. As you can see, people are posting. So 2 days ago, 1 day ago, we have some people posting here. Also, we have the jobs tab, where you can go and your job search starts here. So here you can go and find a job. You can find your perfect job, click the job, the name and the location where you want to find a job at. We have companies, where you have all the companies. So find the workplace that works for you. So here you can go and find a company by clicking on the search bar and searching for a company. Here you have the salaries, where are you paid fairly, find out. So you can go and see your job location and see, are you actually paid enough for that job? But now guys, let's see how you can delete your Glassdoor account permanently. So this is basically pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to do it in no time. So first of all, you need to click on the top right corner on your profile and then go down to the settings option. When you're there, you just need to go and scroll down, and here you have the deactivate account button. You just need to click it and your account will be deactivated. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.